Hi, Danette May here, and today I'm so excited because we're in the kitchen and we are gonna make a beauty hot toddy. You might be like, what? A hot toddy that's actually gonna enhance my beauty? Yes, this is absolutely so good for you, and it has all these ingredients that actually is gonna help with hair, skin, and nail growth. So I'm gonna get right to this recipe. I'm gonna share with you what's in it, how you make it so simple in your kitchen, and you will now see that this is such an amazing decadent drink that you can serve to others or to yourself, and it has these beauty components to help enhance your beauty. So let's get started. The first key ingredient here is Cacao Bliss. Now I want to share a little bit about this so that you understand why this is actually the secret sauce to this hot toddy for your beauty. It contains raw cacao. Now raw cacao is known to have the most antioxidant benefits in it out of any food. It also is loaded with flavonols that help with blood flow. So we all know blood flow is helping with anti-aging, it helps regenerate the cells, as well as helps with brain cognition. We also have inside of this Cacao Bliss not just raw cacao, but 7 superfoods. So turmeric, which we all know is the beauty spice in India that they use on their skin and also in their drinks to really enhance beauty and inflammation of the skin. We've got MCT oil, such a beautiful oil for fat, as well as lucuma, mesquite, a little bit of black pepper, and all these amazing benefits inside of Cacao Bliss. But we're gonna add a little bit more to the Cacao Bliss. So we're gonna take 1 scoop of Cacao Bliss. So we're gonna have this be our base. What I'm gonna have you add to this, which is gonna add to the flavor as well as to the beauty components, we're gonna add maca. Now maca is such an amazing spice and has been known to help balance hormones, increase libido. So anytime you balance your hormones, it's gonna help with beauty. We're adding a little bit of maca. We have some collagen, a really pure collagen powder. Now this is what helps with nail growth, skin renewal, hair growth. So we're gonna add that to it. Cinnamon and cardamom that we're adding now. These 2 spices increase blood flow as well, increase your immunity. So this is a really yummy flavor, obviously, but it also adds to the beauty component. We're gonna blend 1/2 cup of almond milk and 1/2 cup of hot water, make it into a hot drink. Pour it into your favorite cup. And then top with whipped coconut cream. How delicious is this? So I know you're gonna absolutely love this recipe. Go ahead and leave your comments below. Let me know if you're gonna be making this, and I can't wait for you to try this decadent drink.